Cal Poly's ROTC joined forces with UCSB to complete the fall field training exercises on October 30th and 31st. They boarded a Chinook helicopter on campus Friday morning to head out to Camp San Luis Obispo.
Hey, notice he's holding the vertical ropes when he goes down. It's a lot easier. Up, cadet.
Warrior, you are go at this station. Proceed to the next station. Actually,
out freaking standing.
When you're done, come back down to this end. Go.
Hey, find a corner and put your nose in it.
That's how you do it. Alright, when you reach the last two, just go straight over. And on the way down, you're going to crab walk feet first.
I'm trying hard face on.
There you go.
Yep. Roll. There,
Oh,
yep.
he's good.
Fires on my command. Commands fire.
How much time do you think he spends next to the radio to get good at this?